the part of the world you reside. Yeah, Shabon Shalom to the children of Israelites. All hail Biafra, Muchineke, Ogadron, Namma. Because no post in this video, let us know I don't come today. Onye m gozi unu niile, ọmụ abụchi mmezie m nke ọma, onye m lụrụ wawe wuzie m. I just dey very happy today because when I enter Facebook, when I enter my friends, I say many people don't delete me. I all like because when I tell people the truth, if I tell people the truth, make una no dey follow me fight again. Me, na me be Chimezie. I don't believe in God. I don't believe in Jesus Christ. I don't believe in Islam. I don't believe in Christianity. I believe in humanity. I believe in the spiritual. I believe in our fun and regime. So I know see the reason why people will fight me if I say I don't believe in Jesus Christ. You know go force me make I believe what I don't want to believe. I don't want to believe in those nonsense because those nonsense is the problem we have, more especially with blacks. More than they post this video, all hail Biafra. Ekele kelele my leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, onye ogadere na mma. Nna m ogadere na mma na eke, ogadere gị mma na orie, ogadere gị mma na afọ, ogadere gị mma na nkwọ. Yes, my leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Bo problem na-akpọ aha gị, obi ma na-akpa m. Yes, my biggest sister. I'm good, my joy, I'm good. I dey come greet you today, make you something with me. So, so we have to give thanks and praise to Almighty Chineke. You know, say people like us who don't believe in religion, people they call us evil. Somebody come there and they say, Ruby, you don't believe in God, you don't believe in anything. What do you can't believe? At last I believe in spiritual. He said, which kind of spirit? I said, because my name give praise to spirit. I said, because my name give praise to spirit. He said, how? I said, yes. I said, Benin people they call me Osa women say, Emi no ma Osamobo. Why Yoruba they call me Oluwashefumi? My name for Igbo na Chimezimo Koma and Chimemezigom. Chimemezigom. So I get that spirit and I get that heart and I get that belief that Chimemezigom. Because on Yekwe Chiyekwe, believe who you are, respect yourself, love yourself. When you look at the mirror, that thing you see is you are, you have to respect that thing you see. So there is kind of person when I be, sure you understand. It get the way me to fight my own for my own revolution, sure you understand. Me, how money Biafra. The reason why I'm a Biafra because I believe in Biafra. I believe in Biafra so much. And the reason why I believe in Biafra so much, and I believe that Biafra will come, is because of my leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Onyechukwu Goziri, Onyechukwu Sogadira Inamma. Because that man have paid the price of which nobody can pay. He do it for us. And that is why I love him so much, and that is why I respect him so much. And there is one thing people don't understand about me. My way of belief is different from the way of your belief. When you see something, that is what I mean. Before I say something, that's when I see, I must make sure that thing they correct. Lower. How much? 1. So before I say something, I must be very, very sure. Okay, now you use your hand, ask yourself question. That Zoological Republic of Nigeria, the way that useless country be, you like other country be? Because when I talk something, some animals will talk anyhow. The other day I say I not believe in God. Somebody want fight me put. I not believe in Jesus Christ. Somebody want fight me put. But now prophet they catch our warriors now. Where they use in the name of God and the name of Jesus Christ, say they collect money for innocent people. Because they say that name now 419, that name now thief, that name God and Jesus Christ. The reason why me I use that name God sometimes is a mistake. I didn't come off my because we have already brought up in that sinful name. Aham Chimezimo Koma, and I couldn't jump off my because Chineke won't God. Chineke is different from God. Chineke umweni lesara higher. How many English names they bear God? To show you that name is an evil name. Okay, look at the useless country where you do to call Nigeria. The other day they say IPOB na terrorist. You know, say for that useless country, now I say self-determination. You know, say for the Nigerian constitution, self-determination is a very big shrine in Nigerian constitution. But now me can understand, say self-determination in Nigeria is a terrorism. When you fight for your self-determination for that zoo called Nigeria, they tag you terrorists. Imagine country will be say, when you get dread, if you get dreadlock, they say you are a cultist. Then if you look Amson, they say you be Yahoo boy. Imagine that useless country, they attack this Shita Muslim. They attack the terrorists, people that is protesting peacefully, like the way they do IPOB. You tell me one of the benefits you are benefiting from that zoo called Nigeria. The only country where you fight for self-determination, they tag terrorists. Now they tag Shita Muslim terrorists, like the way they tag IPOB terrorists. And those shameless governors, Ohanes and those Shinama, they are still the same terrorists. It's in Jericho, where we trying down. Jericho was who must bring down Nigeria. That Obodo Queenswa, that darkness. Imagine you dey tag somebody terrorist, person wey dey fight for im right, because all those shameless old fools wey dey that so rock na old useless people. Ndị shi na-adịghị mmadụ na-enweghị sense. Okay, now yesterday many people go see some pictures when I post yesterday about this Wike of Port Harcourt. This governor of Port Harcourt. Okay, now I post that picture. The man go buy gunboat. He buy many ammunition, many van for police. Then me come post that video. Then I say, these things wey you dey buy, we don't need this. Hunger are killing people. There is no job opportunity, and you are buying this nonsense. Then some of my brothers, they begin to fight me. Okay, what you dey buy ammunition for? Now me they ask, who are you buying those things for? See, bro, as I did so, I don't mind any governor, even the so-called Ihedioha of Imo State, my brother. As far as those people are under Nigerian law, my brother, don't kind of for your mind say they have something good to offer you. I post that thing and people begin talk anyhow. Why they talk anyhow for? Because I'm telling you the truth. We don't need all those nonsense. Who are you fighting? Because all these governors, people don't know all these governors, they are buying that thing, they are buying those ammunition because they know that Nigerian government will take all those things to their place to fight Biafrans. I'm telling you the truth. That's why they are buying those things. Why are you buying? Now, for useless country called Nigeria, as he say, the budget of ammunition in that zoo called Nigeria is more than the money they are spending for the citizens. After they're not spending any money for the citizens, but they budget money for arms every year. Who are they fighting? Who are they fighting? I never since the generation of that useless country called Nigeria, I never see country where they go fight. Then why are you buying ammunition for? You are buying fighter jets for innocent people. You are buying fighter jets for innocent people. Your citizens, you want to kill them, all in the name of greedy and selfishness. Every year, the budget of that useless country called Nigeria, the budget every year of ammunition, who are you fighting? Who are you fighting? Those people you are trying to kill with that ammunition, why can't you try your possible best to create job opportunity for them? Like the king of Edo State, the way they use juju to swear for the youth. You swear for the youth. Why you not bring them and create job opportunity for them so that they will not steal again? Now, what is the useless country called Nigeria they do? Because when you tell these same animals, this is what sometimes people blame the citizen. Bros, those people is supposed to know that useless country called Nigeria, not be by election. That's election they do for that country. So nobody vote them in, man. Nobody vote them in because those shameless idiots, their family are living in Europe. Likewise, the shameless men of dogs, those Shina their children are living in Europe. Look at the shameless men of dogs. Now me I tell and say, Christian, you have to be ashamed of yourself, calling yourself a black man, calling himself or herself a Christian. You have to be ashamed of yourself. If you are a black man, you believe in Jesus Christ or God, you have to be ashamed of yourself because those nonsense were brought to you by your colonial masters. Look at Shita Muslim in Nigeria. As they kill them, Iran, they make protests for them. The rest Muslim country, they make protests for them. The Christian in Nigeria, which foreign country they make protests for you? They are not making protests, or rather they are selling ammunition to the Muslim to kill you in that useless country called Nigeria. That's what they are doing. When I talk, some animals will talk anyhow. Before you talk, bros, you will reason what they do. Before you talk. Who they sell fighter jets give Buhari? Not be America. America is not Christian land. Is it not English place? But you are selling ammunition, and you know that those ammunition, they are using it to kill the Christians. That's what they are doing. To tell that Christian is a blood-sucking religion. And I tell you the truth, blacks. It does not belong to you people. That is why the pastors use the opportunity to use that useless Christianity to deceive innocent people. The same God that they give you power, they see vision. Why the same God no give you power? This is the problem of the useless person in that Aso Rock. Now, one day I don't believe in Christianity. I don't believe in those nonsense. People they follow me, they argue. See Shita Muslim. And they tell you, see Shita Muslim for Nigeria. As they kill them rich, look at Iran are protesting for them. When they are killing Muslims in Nigeria, their fellow brothers in Arab land will start protesting for them. What of the Christians in Nigeria, since I be killing them, who are protesting for them? Nobody. But the pastors will end up protecting the blood of Jesus and protect themselves with security and police. I'm telling you the truth. Look at the Shita Muslim in Nigeria. Look at how their brothers, their followers inside the Arab nation, like Iran, like Iraq, like Afghanistan, they are protesting against El-Zazaki. Then your Christianity brothers, the people that brought you those nonsense, where are they? They are not protecting you. Rather, they are selling ammunition to the Islam government to destroy you. And you are shouting. So why are you fighting me? Many people say, Ruby, this God, Jesus Christ, say the one say I mean want a hand, bros. All those people say the way they say, what they tell me this word 3 years ago. Say the one say I mean want a hand. Those people they know they come online again, I know they see them, but they're still using that same Facebook. I don't try write them, say I still the hand well. Now it's like Biafra, I go hand. I tell you the truth. I tell you the truth. So why are you fighting me when I tell you that God is fake? God is fake. Jesus Christ is fake. All those nonsense. Imagine the reason why they brought you Jesus Christ. I don't know in here. The reason why they brought you Jesus Christ. The reason why they brought you Jesus Christ. Now, to you that they console your mind because they know that they cannot pay for the slave or the pain where they cause you. That's why they bring you Jesus Christ die for your sin. You have to forgive when somebody offend you. But they can never forgive you. When they post this video for me, and some shameless animals are there fighting for one Nigeria. What are you fighting for one Nigeria for? The problem is that useless country, they don't teach history. You have to, before you call yourself a zoo called Nigeria, you have to go and check your history. When my director say Nigeria is an animal kingdom, I think they say a lie. I think that recently they say snake, now enter one house of assembly. That not be an animal. Imagine country where they want use almost 170 billion. Take award contract of cattle. That not be Nama. Imagine country where we say they value Nama more than human being. That means you are a Nama. If you claim Nigeria, you are a Nama. I tell you the truth. The people you are trying to claim one Nigeria with, people with the poison cow. I tell my people, question area and Nama. When I stop to the buy cow meat, when I stop to the eat cow meat, imagine vulture. Maybe many people, you know, say people with Africa know they see it. Now we in Europe, now we they get opportunity to see all those things. Imagine for Enugu 2 weeks ago. Now vulture go slaughter, go chop meat. Vulture died. The whole vulture will chop that meat. All of them die. About 160 vultures now die. Imagine the people who buy that meat, can they go out and go cook? What will happen to them? Imagine cow where they fork. Now that can they come your place, you can't carry they buy. But could not stop that. Even when I was with my grandmother for village, bros, no they chop cow meat. Now maybe when we go party, when we go marriage, how we chop all those meat. My brother, we know they chop cow meat. Now fish, my grandmother tell they cook. Right from almost 5 years when I did with that woman. That woman never one day they come her say carry cow meat. Come no. Because they are killing Dangote they kill you. Dangote they kill you. They kill the village. Now that kind of country now you want proud of. Obude Kwensu. You don't know how many people they graduate from that useless country every year. You don't know how many graduates they get for that useless country every year. How many of them get job opportunity? How many of our sisters get job opportunity? How many of our brothers get job opportunity? But if you see if you see the contract what all those people they take, if you see the contract what all this house of assembly, it don't want to renew their house. If you see the kind of money all those people they call, but there is no job opportunity for our brothers and sisters to work. At the end, the woman will finish school, you go inside church, you go they cry. Young guy will go inside church, you go they cry. You go say, may God provide job for her. God cannot provide job for you. It's the job of the useless government to provide job for you. But instead of them to create job opportunity for you, they are building churches. That is shameless, useless Igbo governors we have in Biafra land. They will win, they will go and build church, but they will go and build a company in Lagos and Abuja. Those kind of people you say you want to hope for. Now those kind of shameless animals, people with award contract of ammunition every year they buy ammunition. Ammunition you want to fight who? Who you want to fight? Now we can they go buy ammunition. All those money we can spend for that ammunition. That money, if we can use that create job opportunity, at least more than 2,000 workers go contain that place where that money where that man to go about those nonsense. Who you want is that buy because you they buy at the keeper for Hausa people. Now what they do so? All those ammunition they buy at the keeper for Nigerian government because they don't say Nigerian government will claim everything to take fight in people. But why? Bros, many people supposed to understand me. I know they hide lie. If you people say you come from my family, when you do something wrong, my brother, I will tell you, I don't care. So when Igbo brother do wrong, if I talk about her, don't argue with me because I know what I'm doing is true. Like this Charlie boy. He get picture when I post recently. Most of my brothers they attack me. Say make I no reason like that. Okay, now Charlie boy is a Biafra. Born and brought up in Lagos. He's a well-known Igbo guy. Now, when they arrest my leader, you went to the prison to visit my leader. But Charlie boy, I've never one day hold the Biafran flag or say he want to make protest of Biafra. But this Charlie boy carry S. Zazaki picture. They make protest for her. You see where people. Then I post that picture. Most of my brothers, why are you hungry? I'm telling you the truth. Don't pretend to be my friend for my back. You're my enemy. These are the same people that tell you to forget about Biafra. Shita is just a religion. But Biafra is what you are, is what you believe. All these are the same people who condemn Biafra after they visited my director. You see what's in the director? Then when I post the picture, many people don't. When I post something, bros, I'm not stupid. Otubam no brother, I not go school, oh, but I'm well blessed with spiritual wisdom. Before I post something, I go first reason your front and back. Because when they arrest my director, many people just want go there, go snap, make they get a picture, say, in my director, the picture. Many people just want to with them, make they just know, say, now my imagine like this, this idiot, what they call this small boy later come arrest, we go to put us to Abuja. After I visit my director, you call the talk any like Charlie boy. Not all of them be my brother. That's what their life be. So I don't believe I don't depend on those animals, my brother. Because only I can make I am man. That is for sure. Look at how the so-called pastors are deceiving people with the blood of Jesus and the name of Jesus. When I thought, my turn, I want to do no boy, I know they fear. When I know they fight for God and Jesus Christ. If God and Jesus Christ get power, let them come and fight people like me. Me, I don't believe in those nonsense. I believe in spiritual. The reason why I believe in spiritual because Chinua Amadioha is real. Aham Chimezium Okoma. Or for Dron and Brejim. Or for Dron and Brejim. So I get me job for him in your jaw. I get me J, make them mad even. Or ya will be chicken winning. Today, people look at the people that believe in so-called Jesus Christ. Whosoever believe in him shall not perish, but have everlasting. But they are perishing. They are destroying them. Why some shameless animals will tell you that they shall live everlasting life in heaven? Which heaven? Which heaven? Because it's only a black man believes that when he dies, he's going to heaven. But because of Christianity, because of English, because the same Bible tells that a nation from afar, a nation which language you don't understand will deceive you. They turn you upside down. No pastor. During the time of Jonathan, I think all pastors come out, come protest, save soul. But why are they not saving soul now? Why are they not saving soul? All of them keep quiet. After they collect your tithes, after they collect your offering, after they collect you the home money, they will use the blood of Jesus to protect you. At the end, they get security. Those pastors, their children are living in Europe. You can never see pastor children, they post any program of their father church. Those pastors that are living in Europe, their children are living in Europe. Those pastors, they have apartments in Europe where their children are living. Those pastors they come Europe, they say lights day, they say road day, they say job opportunity day, they say everything day in order. But they'll come that useless country where they never pay workers 1 year, 6 months. They'll call you say receive your miracle, receive your blessing. Somebody which money you want win? For a country where they don't pay you salary, they pay up. What is success? Success is that when you get money. And when you get money, okay, imagine country where minimum wage like 18,000, 16,000. Country where even the 16,000, they never even feel paid. They never even pay workers. They hold worker 3 months, 6 months, 8 months. Pastor will see God might come altar. They tell you say receive your miracle. Imagine go tell you before that next year, before that next 2015, that mansion you want to be, you go be. Which are you want to be the mansion for country where work no day? At the end, our guests go finish school or go get job opportunity. The company where they go look for work, the manager wants to sleep with them. Everybody wants to sleep with their hand. At the end, when they get the job, they'll come inside church. Call they make Thanksgiving for job where they got to corruption. Only in that Zoom, when they get job with corruption, they say it's connection. I get Jack and Boda you see Biafra. I tell you, give us 5 years. I tell you, no nation will be like Biafra. They are Magon Zioku. After the war, you don't know what Awolowo do. Awolowo used Bashok or destroy Biafran children. Awolowo seized the whole Biafran people money. At the end, they give Biafran people 20 pounds. And today, who still be the useless country? I say me, but people be the useless country because they frustrate us with international airport. They frustrate us with seaport. All those organizations, those shameless old fools, they have nothing good to offer you. Look how Fulani they keep people for Lagos Express. And I thank God now, the thing I don't believe but they affect. It affect both Yoruba, it affect both Benin. As you see, as our organization they useless. Now so Yoruba traditional leaders and their elders they useless. I'm telling you the truth. Now since they kill innocent people for that road now, nobody don't talk, but they don't care if the daughter now. It don't cast. You see, to show all those useless old men have nothing good to offer you. Imagine Osibanjo. A Yoruba man, a vice president. You see what that's when they tell you now. All those shameless old fools have nothing good to offer the younger people. If I thought you were going to talk to me anyhow, all those pastors going to console you. Because the pastors and the politicians, they work together. They work together. Because the politicians, they pay the pastors. That's why the pastors don't talk anything. If they talk, they will draw that money. Because all those pastors, see, they do corruption. All those jets pastors, they buy, bros. You know how many billions of dollars they use that money to pack more for Nigeria? All those private jets they buy for nothing. The private jets they buy, the governors they use all those private jets till they remove money more for that country. Or free the Western world they know. A Western man can never come, white man can never come Africa and bank his money. Lie to lie. But today, your old leaders, all those shameless old fools, they make you believe that they are better than you. Who tell you are better than them by 1 million times? Now when Biafra come, now you gonna say you better. You see how you take past these Europeans. I tell you the truth. When Biafra can you go see your quality. Because without zoo, you don't know how quality you are. Just imagine how Biafra start now. See what the children they produce. Child. Person we no like good, no go ever see good for generation. My leader Mazina Nekane Gade. Namo Gadregen Nama. Ogadregen Maneke. Ogadregen Manori. Ogadregen Manafo. Ogadregen Mananko. I'm very, very grateful to you, my leader Mazina Nekano. See, so my leader raised Biafra ish, my brother. See what your young boys, see what these small boys they build. That one are destiny where this useless zoo, Ruga the public cover. Imagine no plane. Imagine no moto. Imagine no keke na pepe. Imagine no fan. Imagine no machine. Look at what children are doing. That are destiny where this useless country called Nigeria cover since. Now my leader and I liberate all those things. You get John Olaluo Nigeria, and that is happening now. Now me they ask all those pastors, let them prophesy. At least when I talk, some people will tell me, say, stop insulting powerful men of dog. They are powerful men of dog. You say you are a powerful man of God, and now vampire they rule you. What powerful? You are a powerful man of God under darkness. Because they are deceiving innocent people. Those pastors are deceiving innocent people. They don't want to tell you the truth. They know the truth. They know the problem of that country. Let's assume it now, say, that useless country that got through will be, say, even if you work, they pay you 2,000 naira in a month. Maybe that 2,000 naira they pay you now. After your expenses, everything, after your loan, everything, at least you see get at least like 1,000 or 1,200 for your pocket, my brother. Who go thief? Who go thief? Who go do evil? The answer is no. Because these people, they know the secret. That is why when they frustrate you, they push you to church. You have to be ashamed of yourself as a black person, call yourself a Christian. And they tell you the truth. See their secret that they open. See the one way they worry where they catch recently. So a whole man of dog is confusing people with that same useless name called Jesus Christ and God. When I thought, they'll say, make God, no, which can God want punish me? Now you go, people don't say God will punish me. God already punish them because I'm way talented more than you. Because if God cannot protect the innocent Christians, they are killing because of them, my brother. Why God will kill me when you believe on her? They go enter inside church, this same terrorist go enter inside church or kill innocent Christians. Why the same Jesus Christ don't fight for those Christians? They'll say they want to live eternal life for heaven. Which heaven? You are deceiving yourself. Because those pastors, they think they are protected. It will reach their body. Because those pastors, they think they are protected. It's going to reach all of them. Okay, I'm telling you the truth because most of the way they watch me from Nigeria now for that zoo called Nigeria from Africa. Because I don't get opportunity of internet. Bros, I get opportunity of internet. And they research and they see what they happen. If something happen for that zoo, now who will they Europe? Now who will first here? But when I tell you something, go and search. Ask your pastor where they come inside church. Don't want they pay me pass. Be say, pastor will come. If you doubt me, if your pastor don't do this thing, I will not say you are a liar. Pastor will come inside church. Go say, God want to bless someone. God, like that shameless woman, he say he want to lift. I want to lift somebody up. God want to lift someone. Someone. When they say someone, he meets somebody. He mean one person. He's not talking about you or me. He's not talking about. He's talking about someone. And who is that person? God want to lift someone. You have to come and sow seed. My brother, if the church population are 200, more than 150 will come and sow seed. But one person that God one bless. Who are you deceiving? Because you are deceiving for those people that need miracle. What made them need miracle? They need miracle because of the country where they're in a bad country. They're not receiving anything good in that useless country called Nigeria. Why are you proud of the zoo called Nigeria? Look at the majority of the citizens outside the country. They calculate how many remain. Tell yourself the truth. Most of them in Europe now, they don't know when they want to go. As like me now. Now 3 things that they beg Chineke. 1, sickness no carry me go Biafran land. Death no carry me go Biafran land. Old age no carry me go Biafran land. Me only at the age of 45 years, I stopped working in my life so that I will have long life to live. But for Europe, black way dey Europe go walk. Oh, now old age is a very shameful thing. Say na old age they carry black, they go back to East Africa. That's a very shameful thing. And many people no dey think that thing. Many people no dey think that thing. For me, it dey worry me, it dey bother me. That is why I'm fighting for my Republic of Biafra. If you come Europe, you go see some old men, 60 years, 70 years, they are still working, my brother. Then imagine you start working at the age of 15 years, up to 60-something years. How many years you get to enjoy your life, my brother? You have to ask yourself question, bros. Me now, I'm 33 years old now. I'm 33 years old now, my brother. I have how many years now? At the age of 45 years, I stopped working in my life. It's true, people work under me and I pay them good. So that I will have more life to live. Not be saying you go work, you go work reach at the age of 70 years. How many years you get to live? Now, 10 years, you don't go. How you want to come enjoy your wealth? That is why you ask yourself question. Why some way if you say maybe life don't go for Europe, who you go to tell them, you say, my brother, even this Europe, they might get a fight. Europe fight to get freedom, my brother. So why be say they talk about, because many people know the shame. I'm ashamed to be an illegal immigrant. It's okay, I'm not my brother. Because to me, I see myself to be different in midst of them. But Kote Mando Gishan, that useless country, if you say that useless country, you don't know what they happen. That is why we are fighting for the Republic of Biafra, my brother. Abna free internet. That is why for Europe, information they work everywhere. Because anywhere you do for Europe, you must get free internet. Even at a village, you go get free internet. You go to work out for you go get free Wi-Fi. Even at your phone. But that useless zoo called Nigeria, there is nothing good about that country. That is why the government and the pastors are working together. They are working together because the government will frustrate you. Why the pastors go to church, they miracle, they bless you. That's not the pure truth. Now, look at what Fulani did. Look at what Fulani did for Express. Look at what Fulani they do. December don't reach now. My mind don't dey up because I get family, I get friends, I get my fellow Igbo people, I get fellow Biafrans who say they go home. I go to panic for them, my brother. If na 3,000 come out, go house. No be 3,000 come back again. What a pain. What a pain. And now the flight you want go enter. Not be the flight where you say flight go one land, now flight go the miss track. Imagine flight they miss track. Now the very useless story they hear for that useless country because that people they go zoo. Now the quote they say why they call Nigeria zoo. Imagine country will be say monkey they swallow money. Imagine country will be say they want $71 billion. I say $1 billion. They award contract of Eunama. Just imagine because they are cow because they believe that Nigerians are cow like them. When I talk, some people you want what you want fight. See, I'm not going to with you. I tell you the truth. Me, it depends on what you are looking for. Like me, bro, I'm not sure Biafra. I'm telling you the truth. I'm looking for Biafra because I'm not good idea. I'm telling you the truth. Give us 5 years. Away home, we do get Biafra in the law one. I'm not going to Zioku. I'm not going how many years now we start now? Look at what the children they build. See what the children they build. Talk about say, we go build toy company for those children. Many European countries now toy and I give them money. But that useless country for them to lay that foundation for you, they are not to save money, store money. They go Europe. Europe are using their money to build their place, and you are frustrating your youth and steal their money and go away. Now that's a useless country you are proud of. Instead of creating job opportunity, they are building church. Instead of creating job opportunity, they are buying ammunition. Instead of creating job opportunity, they are creating more force, more law. What did they create all those things for? Because you frustrate the youth. Because each job opportunity, everything they are supposed to, they really get your own rights. Who go plan to do bad? Who go plan? The answer is no. That is why when they frustrate you, they push you to church. Church go to console you. You go pay tithe, you go pay this one, you go pay this one. Pastor go to deceive you. Imagine country with job opportunity. No, the pastor will tell you say before that in next year. That job you find, you go get that. You want to get her. Pastor will tell you, say, you are looking for visa. They have been denying you for visa. Now, that visa you shall get. My brother, don't deceive yourself. If you get 2 million for your account, don't think that they are going to give you visa. I tell you the truth. Unless not connection, my brother. Might tell you, if when you're looking for visa for any European country, bro, at least when you get up to 5 to 6 million in your account, bro, you know get country where you want to go seek for visa, they not go give you. But don't say you get 2 million for account, you 5 visa. I don't want to give you visa. That the end, pastor will say they deceive. The pastor will say they deny you for visa. Why they not go deny? Because you don't get money. You go dey sick, you go chop, make pastor pray for you. God dey heal sickness. If ya na Chineke na warrior, Chineke agaghị enye mkpọrọgwụ na mkpa akwụkwọ. Chineke kere ụwa jọọ ya mma. Almighty create this world, he give you eye, you know say you go see road, he give you nose, they breathe, he give you ear, he give you hand and leg, you know say you need all those things, he give you rain, he give you night and day, he give you everything to live life. But because we deny our identity because of love, because the people we love, now they use hatred to pay us for our reward for the love. When I talk, why they fight for pastors? What do you want to fight for pastor for? Pastors are using you, are dumping you. Those private jets the pastor they buy, they use those money to they carry money for politicians. They come up for the country. If you don't know, maybe you know from today. All those private jets, all those private jets. That is why no Igbo man go ever be. Or you saw the general overseer. What there are 12 disciples. You can never see Igbo man among of their 12 disciples. No. Now then, they are tribe then. Now they use that private jet, they remove money, they come on politicians. Like this criminal, this shameless thief, Apostle John Suleiman, Onyo Shinama, the most greatest thief when I see for my life. Yahoo, you won't pass thief. Suleiman is a criminal. Suleiman come mortar, this mortar with this country when I did. He say hand of God, they body. Suleiman go Germany. Suleiman say hand of God, they body. Suleiman go Switzerland. Suleiman say hand of God, they body. Suleiman go France, he go Norway, his hand of God dey body. But Suleiman come from Edo State for Awuchi. Awuchi is the most poorest village in Edo State. Awuchi no get road, Awuchi no get light, Awuchi no get water. Why Apostle Johnson Suleiman, hand of God no dey body for a community? You dey come where already better already. You dey come deceive people, innocent people. But when I talk, the same people I'm telling the truth, they will start insulting me. Why you don't investigate? Where are their children? You go ask yourself, where are their children? They are living outside the useless country. Even the politicians, look at their children. They are going the best school, the best education, but they don't get sense. They are preparing their children to come and rule you again, and you are claiming one Nigeria, and you are there clapping your hand for them. And you think those people that mean well for you. All they will do is to go and buy ammunition. When they win, they will get more security to guide them. They go buy ammunition. They'll begin build church, join church. Let's assume now say those churches now that they build now. Now job opportunity. Tell me go thief. Now for that useless country, you go see church more than 20,000 capacity, more than 50,000 capacity of church, of members. You go size that church. But still yet, now Nigeria now poverty they pass. The highest capacity of church in Africa, now Nigeria you go find now. But the Nigeria now evil thing they have to pass because Nigeria is the root of all evil. You don't get the kind of evil, get the kind of evil you will fight for that zoo where you no go see. Because that the condition of that useless country. Tell me what is good about Nigeria. Nigeria where they frustrated the whole way. People like me and all of us they run up and down. Because nobody they wake up good for Nigeria, get where they happy. Nobody they wake up good for Nigeria because the country now country they swear for. That's a pure truth. When I talk, people want to fight people like me. See, both spiritual and physical, you can't fight me. I know my grandma mother is Yoko. Because many people say, pastors go cost me. What did pastor want cost me for? It says they don't know where I did. They don't know more than I did. They made them come. Because they know that I'm telling them the truth. They are deceiving innocent people. The country no good. There is no light in that zoo. Now, Arabu, you and they no go feel live. You and they no, light and darkness can never live. Because those pastors are deceiving you, make you believe that you are Nigeria. Why you are in Nigeria? Because they are deceiving with different prayer. What make you think that they are different from you? What make you think that those shameless pastors are different from you? The pastor will come inside church. All of a sudden, can catch me with them? No, they'll say they cast and ban the spirit of darkness. Why do you want to cast out the spirit of darkness? And you cannot sleep with that darkness, my brother. You cannot sleep with that darkness. Why are you casting down by the spirit of darkness? You command the spirit of you. Whose spirit are you commanding? You are commanding the spirit that you worship to deceive innocent people. Why the useless government are there busy buying ammunition? You are buying ammunition to kill who? That shy Muslim in Nigeria, now that shy Muslim where they say they be terrorists. That shy Muslim, now they get their home brothers who they protest for them. Will be like Iraq, Iran, and Afghanistan. They protest for shy Muslim. But the shameless, useless Christianity in Nigeria, who is protecting you outside of Nigeria? Nobody. What they are doing is to sell ammunition. The same people that brought you Christianity are the ones selling ammunition to Muslim government to destroy you. You see, United Nations is a blood-sucking organization. African Union is a blood-sucking organization. BBC, CNN, all those nonsense are scam. is to enslave and deceive humanity. Look at the population of the zoo called Nigeria, the citizens outside. Look at the population now, the Igbo, Benin, Urobo, Agbo, Isha, with Yorubas. Because at the useless country, you don't get place where you go for this, where you don't go see Nigerian citizen. Because the useless country, they're frustrated because now, you see the kind of old men. Look at the kind of old men. These are the same people that tell you that Nigeria, their youth are the leaders of tomorrow. But now they let you believe that the youth are terrorists. Only in that Nigeria self-determination they tag you a terrorist. Which kind of shameless animal kingdom be that one? Eh? Imagine country where work no day, but pastor will promise you job opportunity. Look at the graduates they graduate for that country every day. They don't get job opportunity. They don't work for the at the end. They go keke na pepe. They go tell you say no condition is permanent. My brother, your condition is permanent. I didn't tell you because in that country that frustrates you. Many people don't believe in Biafra today because these shameless British, these bloodsucker British that created Nigeria, they decide not to teach the children the history. That is why when you talk about Biafra sometimes you defend the man Nancy. What they do, they carry with a Catholic church, Doshana and Ozo. Imagine my community, bros. My community we have for come, bros. We no get road, we no get light, we no get water. But about 3 to 6 church for my now about 2 church na day. Then if you go for Umudiaba say ho, we got more than 20 churches for Umudiaba. And the St. Michael Parish where they Umudiaba, the St. Michael Parish now the whole Umudiaba put they build that church. Now Umudiaba put they build St. Michael Parish, but Umudiaba no fit build primary school. Umudiaba no fit build primary school, but they build church. That church they are building now, that money now, where they come now Europe. That is why if you go to Africa, any cathedral where you go for Africa, you must see an Italian person, white Italian. Now those who they carry the money, they come Europe, take on the repair themselves and keeping our people in hunger. Then our people now come put their own titles to stock money from the old women. Ageshima dezinne, Esha ezinne, Esha ezinne wonogo, Esha ezinne wonogo, Esha adadi orama, Esha adabarapoto. All those nonsense. Now we take in stock money from the poor masses. Because me, people like me who enter Europe, I study religion too much. The people that brought you Catholic, I studied them too much. There is nothing like Umu Mary for Europe. There is nothing like a Christian mother for Europe. There is nothing like Christian father for Europe. Only what they have here is night, which is the Freemasonry, which is night and manservant and seminary. Finish. Then for our side now, a bonding ihe niile. Onye nne na-aga bury and geli onye ọzọ. Father ya nwa agaghị eli ya. Father geli mmadụ ọ gaghị eluigwe. Just imagine nonsense when they invoke and deceive our people. My community as a whole, bros, you know how many graduates in my community will not get work? Only my community. Even only my village self. You know how many graduates in my village will not get job opportunity? They don't get. But every Sunday they go see money, they go give God. God don't know if he give you work, he go give her money. When I say I don't believe in God, I don't believe in Jesus Christ, people go they fight. What do they fight me for? Now the same name, those same 2 names, now those pastors, they usually deceive innocent people. They instock money from them. But those same pastors go use that name to protect church members. Pastor will come inside church and they go protect church member of the blood of Jesus. And in will be pastor, now he get security, secret security, he get police, he get Odeshi, he kind of bulletproof, he has the fence around. But you are fighting for them. I'm your best friend, your worst enemy. Yes, my big bro, Venza Onyem Goziege. And drink with you. Baby, I dance so on you. Only your friend know your secret. A lot of people go reveal it. And Ujablas fit let down weary. We have to give thanks and praise to Almighty Chineke. Because we will not believe in God. Now we they see road pass. I tell you the truth. We will not believe in God. Now we they see road pass. So you will they cause me, they stop because of God. Leave God, make him fight for himself. Stop fighting for him. Because when you ask Christians will tell you say God, like they say Holy Mary, Mother of God. Holy Mary take mother of God. They say Holy Mary, Mother of God. That the same people they say Jesus Christ now God. You go out and say, Jesus Christ be God. Or say now Jesus Christ now come in the form of spirit, enter Mary body, can't take come word. And at the same Jesus Christ will be God. And the same Jesus Christ now they cross. Because in Mando journey, they think that the same Jesus Christ they cross the Christ, say, Father, Father, why did you forsake me? This one are the same God, when I come they cross the Christ, say, Father, Father, why do you forsake me? The same Jesus Christ when they say that God, now I say our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be your holy name. Let your kingdom come on earth. When they deceive Africans. Because when you are telling my people something, they want to argue with you. Like it gets some research what they make recently about the Book of Enoch. Many people don't study the Book of Enoch. Many people don't study the Book of Enoch. Now the Book of Enoch, one call is not those. Brother, do me. Say Bible say don't ask question, don't ask God question, and that is why Africa they lose. Now there Africa lose. Now Africa lose because olden days where Africa believe in tradition. If something happen, the village native doctor must ask the gods why this thing happen. If they don't ask God why this thing happen, how the gods want to know what they happen, how the village want to know what they happen. But the Bible tells you don't ask question because that Book of Enoch. When I study the Book of Enoch, I can see and say those angels, those fallen angels, both the ones where angel Michael go fight for heaven for. So I can say okay, those fallen angels, they offend God, yes. Then what make God not destroy them for heaven there? Because if those nonsense they give us narrate, because the Book of Enoch, now they see carrier, now they forge all those nonsense. For you African man to believe now, they can't tell you say you get some way they break up for Ethiopia. Many people don't study this Book of Enoch while they talk. Book of Enoch, all those is the imagination. Say the fallen angel, there are about 200 angels now descend from heaven. When they descend from heaven now come meet the children of men. Then let me come they ask myself questions. Say if this nonsense wey they talk na truth, when they get problem with God, why God don't destroy them for there? May only the pieces come for earth. Then God knows say if they come now, can't devour the children of men, they go born giants and there will be problem. Then wetin make the God not destroy them for there? Where God knows say him people they on earth. They can't descend they come earth. Then they can't devour the children of men. Then he call his flood. They scatter, they spoil the generation. He called the men Noah and his family. Ndocha maybe Ndocha hell in Africa. That is the reason why Michael Jackson turned himself to white. I don't blame her. Because in the shoji sometimes we claim to be smart, but we are not clever. You don't ask why you don't go ask Bible question? Now those things that deceive us. And at the same Christian will tell you say don't judge. Now what Christian will tell you don't judge. If the Christian will tell you don't judge, why they get police? Why they get soldiers? Why they get courts? Why they get lawyer? Say don't judge. Even King Solomon beg God for wisdom. Make it to judge the people for the right thing. Africa have to wake up and sometimes they tell themselves the truth and ask themselves questions. Because everything with them tell you. Might tell you one thing. Now when Biafra come, now you go know how quality you are. I go am the mad here. Biafra now you go know how important. Now you go know the reason why British don't want to let you as Africa. Because when I say as Biafra, it's like I'm protecting only Biafra. You as an African person, you as a black race. Now when Biafra come, now you go know how important you are. Because Biafra will liberate black race, not only Africa, black race. It will be a challenge. They say Nigeria is giant of Africa. Where for giants go? Who will do Europe? You can never see. You see Zimbabwe. You can never see Zimbabwe for Europe. If you want to see Zimbabwe, na flights they come. You can never see Tanzania. All those countries we visit don't get level. You can never see them for Europe. Only Nigeria and Ghana, West Africans. The whole country where this bloodsucker British colonize. No country good. You don't get country where you colonize where good. But today they will tell you they bring civilization. Now you teach them civilization. After they frustrate you finish, after they don't destroy you finish, do nonsense, they can't bring you blood of Jesus. Say Jesus Christ died for your sin, behold, all things are passed away, everything become new. What if the old thing will pass away and the thing will become new? More which museum, I don't know. There will be no pain, there will be no death, there will be no all the whole thing where Jesus Christ promised and say no go happen, everything they happen for now. Now me they ask our people, say when Jesus Christ nobody exists, where our people are living, where our people are living in where they say real natural law and justice of our land, are they not living long? The kind of sickness where they cure now, the sickness where they, they during the time of my grandfathers, their forefathers, they. The day Africa accepts Jesus Christ as the Lord and personal Savior, now that very day Africa accepts pain and death and sorrow in their life. And that pain we are still passing through up to today. That is the reason why the people that brought you Christianity, for them to support you, they are giving your country ammunition to destroy you. Look at Shia Muslim. Iran are protesting for them. Afghanistan are protesting for them. Iraq are protesting for them. The Christians they have been killing in that zoo called Nigeria. Who is protesting for you? Nobody. Rather, they are selling ammunition to the government to destroy you. And you are calling yourself proud Nigeria. You have to start today, start talking about Biafra. That is why I love my leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, so much. Because if not be him, Biafra alala, I tell you the truth. That is why in Igbo land, my brother, we don't trust anybody again. It's like I'm not going to. For the free Igbo land, my brother, I don't trust anybody again. Only my leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because he have paid that price. He have shown me that he's the person. Bros, both spiritual and physical, bros, are the observed person. My leader is the man. That's why I'm Soroya. And since I follow him, I have never get any regret from him. Mba. Onwa Chineke. All Chineke zitereya. My happiness today is one, Owonibo. Two, is a black person. So why are you jealous of him? All those people they talk nonsense about him today, where are they? They don't shut up your mouth. And when can they go hoka? When I go leave Nigerian government, when I go attack IPOB and my leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Can you hear me run? Just tell me one battle we do. No. But since now, where that ruga, what they want to do, nobody, no, they don't even take action. Look how they are destroying innocent people for the Lagos Express. Because they know say now you, now the Igbos, now the Benin, now the robots, and they use that road pass. They are killing them for nothing. They are killing them for nothing. Innocent people. When I go home last year, for along Benin Lagos Express Road, I see custom motor park for road, rice, oil, sugar, full inside the motor. So me when they ask the guy meet follow, say, Epa, because na Benin guy meet follow, say, Epa, what is rice where custom carry? Who get? I say, na people they go ask. I say, why? He said, because they don't pay custom money. I say, you see the reason why they vex. And if you see those rice now, which pogo those rice, pass Benin people, pass Igbo. Pass Urobo. As soon as say you are not from that place, say you are going east. My brother, they will seize that rice. Imagine what the custom they can't do for Lagos Express. Where custom they do not be border and airport. Not be border and airport, but they tag you with everything. They destroy you. They finish you everything. And that's a country you are still standing up and call yourself proud Nigeria. Proud Obode Kwensu. Let me they ask people, that governor of a river state, that money where governor when he take go the ban ammunition, why he no use that money to create job opportunity? If they go ban ammunition, who you want fight when who you want fight? You get any terrorists again when you get for that useless country called Nigeria apart from Boko Haram? You never give, make an ask Wike, you go ban ammunition, you never give order say make the military way they reverse. They fight Boko Haram. The answer is no. Rather, they go order military to come and destroy your home place, to come and kill your own people. And you are buying that same. I might tell you one thing. Those ammunition they buy. They buy that ammunition because he know that the useless zoo government will claim those things to fight his people. You can't give order. You can't give order to protect your people. So why are you buying ammunition? Ammunition to do what? You dey buy gunboats. Who you want gunboats they fight, my brother? Nakakudele Nezioku. Who we can want is gunboats they fight? If not be home people. On him Naju, who we can want use gunboats they fight apart from his people. Boko Haram no dey stay inside water. Mietiala no dey stay inside water. So why are you buying gunboats? Because you want to destroy your people. If I talk, they'll say you can Igbo. Why me they talk? Why not go talk, my brother? Even if you let me be my father, you do wrong, I will tell you the truth. Imagine country be say when you stand on your right in your self-determination, they call you terrorist. Look at Shia Muslim. Look at Shia Muslim when they carry ammunition. Just only picture and Banner and McLephone, they tag them terrorists like they tag IPOB terrorists. You dey go buy ammunition. Oh, you want use ammunition take kill? Why you no use that ammunition with buy that money take create job opportunity so that those boys no go steal again? Nna gwa one name here. Me before put about one mad in here, because I dey reason that thing with that. I dey reason front and back because I can't reason now say Wike, because I post that video, that picture. Many people begin to ask me question. Wike go buy governor of Rivers State. He go buy ammunition. He go buy gunboat. He buy a van. Many van for police. Who you want use that take kill? Who you want use gunboat for? If you say you want that, but who are the terrorists? The terrorists who are they not now, they don't get see. So where you want carry gunboat to go shoot? If not be for them to destroy your home people, you dey go buy those things for. Why you no use that money to create job opportunity that will contain more than 2,000 people so that babat evil thing no go happen? You are buying ammunition which you cannot give order to protect your people. Because you know that the Nigerian government will take all those sinners to fight your home people. You dey buy ammunition because of militants, abi? Who are those militants? Your home blood that is fighting for their own rights. You dey go buy ammunition. You go to do anyhow. On him now going on. I return at the truth. Look at Shai Muslim. Shai Muslim now. On that people they protest for them for outside the useless country called Nigeria. Iran they protest for them. The so-called Christians in that zoo called Nigeria. Came back in a bush on said they're killing you people. Who are protesting for you? The answer is nothing. The people that are supposed to protest for people like America, they're supposed to protect you, but they are giving the useless country Nigeria ammunition. Tell me, say America want to you say they don't know say those ammunition wey Buhari they buy, wey Nigerian government they buy. Say they don't know say for the Christians. They know that those ammunition is for the Christians to destroy them. Who Nigeria they fight? Every year the contract, the money wey Nigeria they award for ammunition alone, it reach to develop the country just under 6 months. Now that country you call the price say you come from. Like my community, Yemen and Alomo Konako, Alomo Jabba say ho. Now that one I they pay me, and that one I go tell them anytime when I go home. I must tell them that truth. I go stand for front of church. If my mom na told you, na see me Mediterranean Sea na follow enter Europe, bros. Na Sahara Desert na follow enter Europe. Death can visit at any fucking time, bros. I go tell them the truth. The church, the Catholic church, where they by community, where they now the whole village women now contribute money. Some pack sand. The old men now build that church. But could you believe that these old men and these old women cannot build a whole primary school for Umodiaba, talking less of hospital. But every year they renovate church. I'm talking about Umodiaba. Every year they renovate church. Every year our mother they contribute money. Every year our grandmother they contribute money. Every year our grandfather they contribute money for one church. That church they started to build that church. I remember when I did village, 1999 stroke year 2001. Then I started to build that church. Till today, St. Michael Parish never build and finish. Now every Sunday they donate money, my brother. My community they don't get lights, they don't get water, they don't get school, they don't get hospital. Like one thief, one shameless woman within my community, we say a politician, one thief within my community, na woman. Me, I go tell them the truth. This woman na my uncle wife, na politician. They deceive youth for my community every year. Could you believe that the secondary school when I go for school Agbaje, this woman go zinc joko. This woman go that school, he remove the whole zinc because of greediness, because he's fighting for politics. This woman remove that zinc. Could you believe for getting more than 1 year and 2 months, this woman refused to fix that zinc, and that woman children they live outside the country. Some day Germany, some day New York, my brother. But she decide to wicked these own people and keep the children outside the country, my brother. No don't get respect. What I'm telling them the truth, bros. They no go fit do me anything. More than I told you, both spiritual and physical, bros. I'm dache. And they tell you, afford on a land them. I tell you the truth, brace him afford on me. I don't make them mad, and mother get you make them. Because I feel the pain of the people who don't have the same opportunity I have today. I feel that too much pain. As I'm talking to you now, my family will go home. We go home 3 weeks ago. They tell me say my own community, na cow, na free everywhere. So they cover the year say now most of the people will get money for the community. Now I get those cow, they can't carry full. Imagine my small community, because our community be like Highland. Now small village, then they can't pack cow put. I don't tell them, I don't give them warning. Say if anything happen to any citizen of that village, I will never forgive any of them. I will never forgive any of them. I will never forgive any of them, because those wicked people, they decide and they deceive the youth every year. Because I don't tell them, say that woman who they deceive them. So that woman, she's not going for anything. She's not going for anything. She will just gather people to make protests, to make campaign, to take money from them. Since when I did village, that woman start that thing. Today that woman is not going for anything. She's just want to use people to make money and keep them in hunger. At the end, you go carry 3 bags of rice. You go share that for your community. If I thought I say Ruby no get respect, if you think I don't have respect, delete me. I don't fucking care about you. I will tell you the truth. I'm Uchi Museum. I'm a queen in Igbo. I'm a queen in Europe, my brother. Call me, I go answer you. I will tell you. The truth is the truth. Me and you know the meaning of Biafra. Because these politicians, they know say when Biafra come, they know say they go the kind of money they steal, you know 50 farm again. That is why I see all of them. You can never see. Have you ever seen any northern leader condemn Boko Haram? Have you ever seen any northern leader condemn Mieti Allah? Have you ever seen any northern leader condemn Fulani killers? But these shameless old fools in our land, they get up and condemn IPOB. Even if included them, because some people say they are not IPOB, but they are Biafra. But IPOB is indigenous people of Biafra. Yes. Shall fall in it. Shall fall in it. Whosoever diggeth up it shall fall in it, shall bury in it, if you had a victory. And we have small hearts, we gonna bring you down. And I tell them, if you dig pit for me, now you go enter inside. And they tell you, I know they play Nigerian music. I know they do anything concerning Nigeria. Now reggae now they play. Now reggae they give me inspiration. I tell you the truth. You where they go church, where you see the church, where you use Jesus Christ, they so rapper. Bros, you know see reach me. I don't know them mad. And I tell them the truth. If you think that your God and your Jesus Christ can protect you, bring and come maybe you do a physical. Can put off on them. Jesus Christ na Mary. Let us conjure. Them also go for answer. Abu Hashe, Butenken can Kale Konyaka Buzaze Pere. Now Leo Soja go use for you. Carry only water, carry olive oil, and carry only Soja. Finish. Can book on Umona, guy book on Jesus Christ and Mary. The most go for answer. Muchineko Adron Nama. Ogadron Namu Muchineka, don't try for now today. When them goes on in Logadron Noma, a Jalon coverage Oma, Ungadiama Fono, Nisebunkuama Fono, a Jalo Nogadron Nama, Onaga 1 week. Only get you na tina Biafra. Aha ga don nu lemma. Onye mgozie my leader Mazinam they can now chemeforo. Now African rep onye mgozo nu ni Biafra bazuru wanele umo Chineke the voice of freedom. O ga dilo onye obula mma. O he Biafra. O he Biafra ndewo no umo Chineke. Ndewo no. O ga dilo na mma munnem.